Hello everybody, this is Reza from Design Art Department, Thaksin University. As I promised, I'm going to tell you about a platform for learning English for free, and not only English but many other things. Here we go to memrise.com, memrise.com. Not any other thing, not any other uh, similar website or anything. Just remember Memrise. You log in, and then here you keep your language on English, and then we go for sign up. In sign up, first you receive this. It's something that you can choose the language. It's many languages from French to Dutch to Japanese or English, but here you just escape and go to the course. Here, go to the courses, and then you do login. In login, you can choose with your Google or Gmail account. You can use your Facebook, or you can just give a new email address. I guess I already have it here. Yeah, I choose my tsudesigner@gmail.com. As you see, this is a pop-up advertising. You close it. Now, here is your profile that you can go do your setting or put your photo or anything. But I just want to show you what you can learn here in an easy and short way. So this is your profile. You can do the changes, but you will learn later. It's not very important now. You go to courses here. Now, in the courses, on your left side, you have the top category of languages, different languages. There are so many languages you can learn here. And also other categories for languages, art and literature, mathematics and science, and many other subjects that you can find under here. But our focus here is on English learning. So the first thing here is this option or this window which say I speak. Here you have two ways. Number one, you keep it on English, which I recommend. Just keep it on English. Or you can choose Thai, as you see here. You can choose Thai, and then top categories, you can press English. And then here are all the classrooms or classes that are made for learning English by Thai people or by Thai speaking people. So for example, if you choose any of these, then you start to learning. Here are the words, here are the translation in Thai, and then you press learn, your class gets started.
Hurricane.
It tells you hurricane, it tells you the translation, so you learn here one time. Next,
Earthquake.
earthquake. Next. Now, this one tells you the word and you need to answer.
Hurricane.
You can press and then next and next and next. Now, way number two, here you can close the course and go back to the courses. Here, remember, this is the course that I just started. You can always quit and come back again. Don't worry. You can quit and come back 100 times or more. So the way number one is choosing Thai language, which I don't recommend. If you choose Thai, it actually gives you limited classes, and it's not very helpful to learn English because you are using two languages it can be helpful, but it's much faster if you use English to learn English. It helps you much more faster. So let's see how it works. I press English, so I say I speak English, and then I go to languages, European, English. Okay, now as you see here, the classes and subjects are much different from the one that you see in Thai speaking. And there are so many classes, so many subjects, and so many different packages that you can learn. You press load more, and still you have more and more and more and more and more. So you can choose any that you would like. Now let's start, for example, I'm not sure, but let's start from this picture dictionary, English Visual Dictionary. I open this. Here is the other people that are attending this class, which you can follow, or they start following you. And then here, each one is one class for one day. You press, it starts with human body. Okay, you can see the words here, and you can see the picture. This is much better to learn English than if you have the translation. So you press learn these words. Now, head. If you want to repeat, you can press this.
Head.
Yeah. You press this speaker icon.
Head.
It tells you again. So, head. And then you go to the next.
Hair.
Hair. Now, what is this? So we know it's head.
Head.
What is this?
Hair.
Hair.
Face.
Face. Very good.
Arm.
Arm. You see, arm is from here to here. It's called arm. Now, which one is hair?
Hair.
Which one?
Face.
Yeah, correct. Arm.
Arm.
Face.
Face.
Head.
Head.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Arm.
Arm. Now, here, what is it? Hair. Let's see. H-A-I-R.
Hair.
Hair. Next one.
Elbow.
Elbow. What is this? Face. F-A-C-E.
Face.
Head. H-E-A-D.
Head.
Okay? So, like this, you can continue. The good thing, if you make a mistake, the website tries to cover your mistake. For example, this one is elbow, but I choose the plate. Wrong. What happens?
Elbow.
It tells you again. Now, face, I choose the wrong one. What happens?
Face.
It teaches you again. So it's like a teacher is watching what you're doing. Now I leave the course. The course is here. I can always delete or I can add again. I go back to the courses. And now again, as you see, I speak English, languages, European, English, and then many other courses. You try to see which one is suitable for you, which one is easy for you, which one you think it can help you, because some of them are advanced or difficult for you. If you want to begin learning English, it's sometimes some of them are difficult. So you can choose the easy one for you. You just try and see. For example, this starts from A, B, C, D, and numbers. So it's pretty easy. You can just start from this one. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Now you start to learn the words. Here tell you 1, 2, 1, 2. See, it's so easy. It can help you learn and it can help you see the writing and listening and speaking, because later in some of the courses you can see the microphone option. You press and you say, and then the website record your voice and say if you are right or wrong. Okay, so that's very easy. In some cases that you choose and you need a translator, try to install the Google Translate extension in your Google Chrome, and in this automatically help you to translate, or always you can have the Google Translate to help you. Okay, so don't forget Memrise, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.